Hello, welcome back to Sonam Toronto's channel. Okay, today we're gonna talk about major epidemic of the modern era. Do you know that? China virus. Why does it matter? Such a frightening and disaster happened today. What can be done to protect the world from the zombie future? How to fight the next pandemic? Can China be held responsible under international law for the COVID-19 pandemic? You know what? Listen up. Here are some questions that going through my mind. Was COVID-19 an accident? Was COVID-19 a man-made in Chinese lab? Was COVID-19 leaked from a lab in Wuhan? Was COVID-19 have conducted dangerous research on bats, making them more potent and deadly? Was Chinese scientists created the virus? Why cover up? What happened? China concealed information for a long time after the outbreak, failing its obligation to notify WHO on a timely manner as stipulated in the International Health Regulation. State media suppress information about the virus. Dr. Li Wenliang and his medical team at Wuhan Central Hospital, who tried to disclose the emergence of the virus, were suppressed or jailed by the region. The answer is very plain and simple. Due to no cooperation and transparency from greedy communist China. It is time to stop these outbreak games. World public health experts says uncovering from this pandemic started can help prevent the next one. But China is rebuffing calls for further investigation focusing on Wuhan. Strong evidence is lacking to support any of the hypotheses about how the new coronavirus spread to humans, whether inside or outside a laboratory. The WHO, national governments, and the scientists are calling for further investigation, but China rejects the idea that COVID-19 originated on its territory. What touch of the COVID-19 pandemic remains a mystery. Why we all suffer? Because that shows you we are all interdependent. The virus has no boundary. It can get to poor or rich people. China virus has killed at least 1 million people across the globe. Communist regime China is a threat to the world. They are a sweet poison. The world is suffering now of health, economy, and education. Planting a poison seeds like Confucius Institute. Look at the China favorite countries like Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Today, the reality is communist, greedy, trade war, human rights violation, accusation of hacking and digital property theft, and posturing by the Chinese military all pose separate and difficult diplomatic tests. America and its ally must play hardball with the communist China. We should just get along and isolate China. If the rest of the world doesn't stop giving the Chinese Communist Party power This is a problem that never gets solved. It is time to settle accounts with China. State liability. China legal responsibility under Article 1, 2, 4, and 6 of the International Law Commission's 2001. Would you agree? How we make them happen? It is a time to stop this game. Let's do it. Strike it when the iron is hot. I want to hear my words to the world. Appreciate it. Please comment below. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my channel.